Welcome to the tour of the room of the Westin Dragonara in Malta, the island of Malta in the Mediterranean. I just got to my room, so we're gonna do this tour together. Starting off here, you have a place to put your key so that the lights turn on and multiple light buttons. Coming over to the bathroom, it's very spacious. We have a tub, a nice sink. Everything looks modern and or recently renovated. It looks like maybe it was renovated a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, but the materials are all new and nice. Amenities, towels. I love a deep soaking tub. You also have a shower right there, plenty of towels. Coming over here, we have the closet, a safe, 2 slippers, a bathrobe, one bathrobe there, and I think the other one is behind the door in the bathroom. Here we have a mini bar with our coffees and teas, a couple of snacks. I was starving, so I went straight for the veggie straws. I'd just been traveling for 24 hours to get here, and I'm about to have lunch or dinner or whatever time it is. Here we have our bedroom. This is a king size bed, very, very large, very spacious. Everything is just new. Like even this finish is like super smooth. You can see that everything is very nicely done and well renovated. Nice big furniture, a TV. You have your working desk here that could double as an eating table. There's 2 chairs, so in case you need to eat with someone else or you like to eat with someone else. Here's also a sitting area. I like this. I mean, you make use of the space. This is a very large room, so they have these 2 big chairs, fluffy chairs. You can sit here. I actually haven't seen this set up in a room before, where you have 2 almost like TV loungers, and you can sit here and watch the TV over there. So that's nicely done. And then to finalize, we have our balcony. Here we have a very spacious balcony. And then you come over here, and this is a view of the resort. Now, it's a rainy day in Malta, which is very, very rare to have a rainy day. I hear there's 300 days of sunshine in Malta every year, so it's very rare to see this. But I'm hoping that tomorrow it's a nicer, warmer, sunnier day for this trip. Overall, I am very pleasantly surprised with this hotel, and I hope that you enjoy it too. This is a king size bed, sea view or sea. It's not. Yeah, it's a sea view. It's not a seafront. So enjoy.